Hey guys, what's up? We're on episode 6, I believe. Maybe 7, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's 6. But this is episode 6. It's not episode 7. Previous episode was 6 if it wasn't 5. But, yeah. Basically, what I'm doing today is mining. Just mining. But, not just mining. Ivan keeps bringing mobs on my base. Yeah, I am pointing that out in my video. You can't stop me. Anyways, he brought mobs on my base. Keep doing it. I'm just doing my chests right now. This video is gonna be me just organizing my chests and finding an axolotl, naming it because I have a name tag. Now at this point, I don't think we even need the skeleton farm. We have so many items. So many. Let me tell you. Yeah, this is why I don't like it. I don't think he knows this, but I wanted him out because he kept I didn't want him in my base because of what he keeps doing. So the next time he brought down I don't think he knew this because he didn't come on my base the third time. I blocked off the entrance so that way when he had a mob following him, it would fall on top of him and start attacking him instead of him bringing it in and attacking me. So, yeah, well, a little bit troll there. Little trolls. But he trolled me with a troll. Like, he trolled me with a troll that was on top of a troll. Where he made me think, because I was deleting the TNT, and then, yeah. You'll see some big brain strats here. A little bit. But, he trolls me with, TNT falling into water, making me think that my base was going to be perfect. I'm gonna skip this really quick. I don't know how, but just by mining a couple of blocks, the desktop audio, it says on my screen, it says that desktop audio is over limiting. So I'm gonna just do that. Yeah, my screen went black. I don't know why, but it went black. I think I was done organizing, and then he went well, he's right there. He was gonna go exploring. I spent 2 hours recording boring footage. Let's look. Never mind, it's not even it's just an hour long. I thought it was 2 hours because it's 2 hours. Spoiler alert, like I said last time, we're gonna be starting episode 2 here soon. Season 2, because season 1, as I was preparing for season 2, we got back without preparation. And I played with her. Yeah, fight the internet. We're gonna fight the internet. No, don't ignore what I said. He punched me because that wither was stuck there. I think I found a way to cameraman mystery 12. And then I'm gonna send him the video in parts so he can see what he's gonna do if he ever gets around to it. If he ends up recording his phone, it's on his phone, then we'll get to see, you guys will get to see on his channel episode 8. But I'll also be posting it on my channel, so, yeah. But basically, I don't know what I was doing, actually. I think I was just looking for, coal. I think that's all I was doing. And at this point, I don't even know. But, yeah, I was looking for coal. So, you know. Then I left for something, I think. So we're just gonna... One. There we go. Problem fixed. Yeah. Hold on. There we go. Now I'm waiting for that. Waiting for glass. Okay, built the glass around his home. So now you can go in there, look at him. It's not really an aquarium anymore, but, I mean, you can still move around in it. It's his home biome. And plus, I adopted him. Because he was by himself, and he was a baby, so... yeah. How did that happen? I don't know. I adopted him now, so... yeah. This isn't a Roblox video. We're just gonna skip all the way to the end here. Now I'm expanding it. I don't know. I don't know why, but my mouse was very sensitive when we were playing this. Because I had a very hard time moving my mouse without accidentally clicking something else. So yeah, I don't know why, but my mouse is very sensitive today. See, he's just a baby, so he can't really climb out of the water just yet, but... I was gonna name him, I think. I think I am naming him. Skip. Yeah, now I'm naming him. I think the footage froze. That sprite isn't supposed to... oh, there we go. Yeah, I think I'm ending it now. Yep. So, yeah. I'll see you all next time. Hope you enjoyed this episode. I promise you episode 7 or 8, I don't know, will be a lot more entertaining. So.
See you on the next one.